Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. First method is to install KDE from the Ubuntu repository. Run the following command to install KDE. The second method is to install KDE via Snap Manager. Install KDE using the snap with the following command. Once installed, you can launch KDE from the terminal by typing KDE or find it in your application menu by the next icon. KDE will be launched as shown. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.